Podcast? Podcast na tayo ngayon. 10-minute podcast with Moose PH Gama. Ayan. Hello ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Welcome to the Young King's Den. Ayan. So, good evening, good morning. No? Happy lunch. Kung kumakain ka man ngayon or patulog ka na, welcome. Okay? So ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin sa ating first episode ng 10-minute podcast. 10 minutes lang to guys, 10 minutes lang. Pero feeling ko naman makakatulog na kayo yan. No? Feeling ko mapapakain ko kayo ng maganda at maraming information sa 10 minuto. Ganto lang mag-podcast si Moose guys. 10 minutes lang. Hayop na yan. So ngayon, pag-usapan natin guys is ghosting. Ayan. Yung mga nag-ghost. Nag-ghost ka na ba? Or nang-ghost ka na ba? Ayan. So, let's start. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. No? Magpatugtog muna tayo dahil kasama yata to sa mga podcast ba to? Radio station. I-mix, ihalo na lang natin. Total 10 minutes lang naman tayo. Okay? Here we go. Good evening sa mga nakikinig sa akin. No? This is DJ Moose. Naging radio station. This is for those people who was ghosted. Let's go. Bigla na lang tayong hindi nag-usap. Wala nang sumunod na pausap. Paano pa ba ako uusad kung wala naman ang dahilan na hawa? Bigla ka na lang nawala na iwang nangangapa. Bakit di nagtataka na? Kung may nag-aantay ba ng sagot kung nasan ka nagpunta? There's actually a lot of reasons kung bakit nanggo-ghost ng isang tao. Marami. Haabutin tayo ng siyam-siyam if I'm gonna enumerate each one. So, siguro pili na lang tayo ng scenario na baka sakali makarelate kayo in terms of ghosting. Possible. One possible scenario kung bakit gino-ghost kayo ng mga taong kausap ninyo is because they're not ready for a commitment. But yes, naiintindihan ko na it's very insensitive. It doesn't make sense. Okay, galit na yan langit, no? It doesn't make sense at some point. Because bakit ka nga naman makikipag-usap or papasok sa isang ganong klaseng connection kung hindi ka pala ready mag-commit, correct? Punong-puno ng isang malaking question mark ang mga ganong bagay. But, I can answer that actually. Pumapasok sila sa ganong klaseng connection with you guys because they only want the positives that comes with a relationship. Ayaw nila makuha yung mga negative na kasama, yung drama, yung assurances, selos, diba? Questions needs to be answered, clarity, intentions. Ayaw nilang sagutin lahat yun because for them, para sa kanila, complicated yung ganon. Bakit complicated sa kanila yung ganon? Because they're not ready to give. They just want to receive. Yan. So may lesson kayo na nalaman sa akin today. No? Yun lang. Yun lang yung gusto ng mga ganong klase ng tao. So, you can weigh their actions and words towards you. Mararamdaman nyo naman yun, guys. Mararamdaman ninyo if this person is inconsistent. Mararamdaman yun, guys. Kapag clarity na yung usapan, medyo they wanna change the topic, sasabihin sa'yo na I don't wanna talk about it right now. I think we're moving too fast. Yung mga ganun. Pero in all honesty, ladies and gentlemen, if they're the person who's ready to commit, tapos gustong-gusto nila kayo, that's not an issue. Honestly, hindi issue yun. Yung mapag-usapan ng clarity and intentions. So, see? Pati yung langit nag-agree sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo yung kulog, guys. But yeah. So, yun. Madalas sa mga ganong klaseng tao, iniiwasan nilang maging seryoso yung usapan. Kasi alam nila na doon papunta yung ganong klaseng usapan. So, most of the times, these guys, they joke around, no? Magbibiro sila hanggat sa gusto nila. Even if you shift the conversation into something that's serious, kahit na hindi connected sa relationship ninyo, gusto nilang iwasan yun. Kasi kapag naging serious yung mood ng ng environment ninyong dalawa, super laki ng possibility na mapag-usapan nyo yung kayo. Iiwasan din nila makipag-usap in terms of past relationships. They're not gonna talk about that so much kasi ayaw nila mag-invest ng time sa inyo, ayaw nila mag-invest ng feelings. What do they want most? All the positives that comes with a relationship. The sex, the libre, the hatid sundo, mga ganon. The moments, the happy moments, the holding hands, yan, the affection, yan. Yan yung gusto nila. Pero, aside from that, wala na kayong ibang makukuha sa kanila. And I know it's sad. I know it's sad when you realize that you're in that situation. No? And a day. Siguro another reason na naiisip ko is they are committed to someone else. They're actually cheating from a relationship. No? Makakaramdam naman kayo pagka ganyan kahit hindi kayo mag-background check. Pero I suggest you still do. Mag-background check pa rin kayo, ladies and gentlemen. Kailangan lumabas ka agad. So umpisa pa lang yung pagiging NBI ninyo. But even if you don't, napakalabo nilang kausap. If they are committed to someone. Super labo nilang kausap, guys. They don't want to talk about, again, the past relationships because they are in one. And mararamdaman mo kapag tinatago ka. No? Kapag lalabas kayo, tapos dito lang sa lugar na to, nasa loob lang kayo ng mall, or actually, hindi pa kayo basta iniiwasan nyo yung masyadong matao na place. Para hindi sila mahuli, guys, pag gano'n. So, mararamdaman nyo naman, lagi kayong nasa kotse, doon na kayo manonood, takot magsine, or pwede magsisine, kasi madilim naman doon eh. Diba? Takot pumunta sa park, mga gano'n. So, takot silang pumunta kayo sa matataong lugar kasi possible na may makakita sa kanila. Malalaman nyo na side lang kayo. What else? If they don't introduce you to people they know. Hindi naman kailangan na magulang ka agad eh. Hindi naman kailangan ganun. But if people who he or she calls friends, ganyan, acquaintance, kunyari nakasalubong, ganyan, tapos iba yung pakilala sa inyo. Yan. Mga ganun. Tapos yung parang nagugulat yung kasama ninyo. Na pag may nakakasalubong, nagugulat, ganyan. Or pag nagkasalubong kayo bigla unexpectedly, sobrang gulat na gulat. Ganun. So matuto kayo makiramdam, ladies and gentlemen. It's for your own safety. Again, you have to protect your heart at all cost. Gets? So, okay ba yung 10 minutes podcast, guys? Sana nakatulong ako sa pagtulog ninyo. Skip na tayo na. Hook. Good night. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you when I see you. I'll see you in the next vid, my young kings and queens. Stream our songs on all streaming platforms. Other than that, nice podcast yarn.